Welcome back to Taxes Made Simple USA. Today, we're breaking down one of the most confusing parts of filing your taxes. Should you take the standard deduction or should you itemize? The standard deduction is a fixed, automatic amount the IRS lets you subtract from your income, requiring no receipts or documents. It's simple, fast, and the option most Americans choose, with amounts varying by your filing status. Itemizing means listing specific deductible expenses like mortgage interest, property taxes, or charitable donations. While it requires good records, itemizing can lower your tax bill more if your expenses are high enough. The rule is simple. Choose the method that gives you the larger deduction to reduce your taxable income the most. Consider itemizing if you own a home with high mortgage interest, live in a high-tax state, or had major medical bills or large charitable donations. Otherwise, the standard deduction is often better for its simplicity, especially if your deductible expenses are low or you prefer not to track them. Always choose the option that reduces your tax bill the most. Tax software and professionals calculate both for you automatically.